Namaskar, welcome to eKaksha. I am Nipa Das and today I will start the fourth part of the fifth English chapter of class 9 and the name of the chapter is A Visit to Kaziranga and Sibsagar. Mormor Satra Satri Hokal, Aji Ami, Nobam Srenir Ingrazir Ponsomti Pat, Alusuna Korim. Students, I hope you remember what we discussed in the last parts. In the last part, we read about Lohit and Trisha and their visit to Kaziranga National Park and Sibsagar. And in this part, we will discuss the question answers of this chapter. Our A partir fourth partot ami aji ki alusona korim? Ami question answers for alusona korim. So let's get started. Part 1. Choose the right answer. Tumaloke শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো choose koriba lagiba. When something is conserved, it is preserved / destroyed. Kuntu habo? The answer is when something is conserved, it is preserved. Jetia ki buli koy? Preserve kora buli koy. Hoine? When something is conserved, it is preserved. Herbivorous animals eat flesh, grass. Trinobhuji, জীবজন্তুৱে কি খায়? Flesh ne grass? Look at the answer. Herbivorous animals eat grass. Okay? When you excavate, you dig out, cover up something. Ami jeta kiba khandi ami he khanda he process tuk excavate to ki mane ki buli koy excavator ortho ki hoise dig out ne cover up. When you excavate, you dig out something. It is known as dig out. Excavate kora mane dig out kora mane khanda. When you visit a historical site, you see new, old monuments. Ami jetia oitikahi khetra ekhon loi jao, thai ekhon ba onchol loi jao, tetia ami ki dekho? New or old monuments. When you visit a historical site, you see old monuments. Ami puroni smriti sinha ba kriti sinha homu dekho. When you play an indigenous game, it is a foreign game or local game. When you play an indigenous game, it is a local game. স্থানীয় মানে খেল. Answer these questions in one or two short sentences. Why did the children wake up early in the morning? যে তেওঁলোকে ইয়াতে কাৰ কথা কৈছে? Children মানে Lohit and Trisha. সেইদিনা তেওঁলোকে ৰাতিপুৱাই কিয় উঠিছিল? Answer. The children woke up early in the morning because their parents were taking them to Sibsagar and Kaziranga for holiday. তেওঁলোকে হেনা সোনকালে কিয় উঠিছিল? কাৰণ তেওঁলোকৰ মাক দেউতাকে তেওঁলোকক ফুৰিবলৈ ক'ত লৈ যাব? কাজিৰঙা আৰু শিৱসাগৰ. Why is Assam unique? Unique মানে তোমালোকে জানা? অনন্য. Assam is unique land with tea gardens. কি আছে? চাহ বাগান আছে হয়নে? Tea gardens, ancient temples, national parks, তাৰমানে পুৰণি মঠ মন্দিৰ হয়নে? National park আছে, ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় উদ্যান and historical monuments, etc. So it is a unique because we have tea gardens and then ancient temples, national parks and historical monuments. What is a national park? ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় উদ্যান কাক কোৱা হয়? মানে ইয়াৰ অৰ্থটো national parkৰ অৰ্থটো কি হেতু সুধিছে. A national park is an area designated by a national government to protect and conserve natural resources including wildlife, ecosystem and landscape. Okay? In short, a national park is an area specially to conserve animals and flora and fauna. এখন ঠাইৰ জীৱ-জন্তু, গছ-গছনি তেওঁলোকক সংৰক্ষণ কৰিবলৈ এখন ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় উদ্যান বনোৱা হয়. A national park is an area designated by a national government to protect and conserve natural resources including wildlife, ecosystem and landscape. When was Kaziranga designated as a national park? Kaziranga ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় উদ্যান হিচাপে কেতিয়া ঘোষণা কৰা হৈছিল? আশা কৰোঁ তোমালোকে সকলোৱে জানা. So let's look at the answer. Kaziranga was designated as a national park in 1974. Okay, so all of you should remember this date. It was designated as a national park in 1974. Question number 5. What is the full form of UNESCO? UNESCO full form to ki hetu tumalaka khudise. The full form of UNESCO is monot rakhiba U for United, N for Nations, E for Educational, S for Scientific, and C for Cultural, O for Organization. Eneke tumalake monot rakhiba, okay? The full form of UNESCO is the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Why was Kaziranga Game Sanctuary renamed the Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary? Prothome namto ki disile Kaziranga Game Sanctuary. Tar pisot holoni kori ki hol Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary. Namto kyo holoni korile? Game also means, look at this word game. Game also means animals hunted for sport and food. Gameor aru eta ortho hoise. Ene game mane tomalike khela dhula buli buja hoine. Gameor aru eta ortho ki hoise je jetia ami khel ba khaddor babe jibojantu sikar koru tak game buli koa hoy. It is not a good name for a park where you want to conserve animals. So jikhon udyanot ami jibojantu ki conserve korim buli no protect korim buli bhabo সংৰক্ষণ korim buli bhabo tene dhonor word শব্দ eta নিশ্চয় ভাল নেলাগে. So it was renamed as Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary in 1905 by P.D. Stracy. Okay, hekarne ki naam dile Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary. Tar agote namtu Kaziranga Game asile hoine nohoy gameor pora Wildlife Sanctuary korile. What do rhinoceros eat? Gore ki khaye hoine? Answer. Rhinoceros is a herbivorous animal. Herbivorous animal mane tomalake jana trinobhuji jantu. Rhino eats grasses. Ki khaye swa? Grasses, leaves, no, carbon, pat, fruits, water plants, phol mul, pani thoka plant and branches of shrubs. Jupuhar dalbur heburu khaye. Okay, it is a herbivorous animal. Question number 8. On their way to Sibsagar, they crossed a stone bridge. What is the name of this bridge? Hibahagorle goi thakute tanke ki par korisil ekhon hilor bridge paisile. So what is the name of that bridge? The name of the bridge is Hilor Haku or Namdang Stone Bridge. So you should remember the name of the bridge. The name of the bridge is Hilor Haku or Namdang Stone Bridge. Question number 9. Name the 3 temples built on the bank of Sibsagar tank. Hibahagor mane pukhurit parot pukhuri parot thoka mondir tinitar naam hudise. The 3 temples are Hibadol, Vishnudol and Devi Dol. Okay, the name of the 3 temples are Hibadol, Vishnudol and Devi Dol. Question number 10. Who built the Ranghar? Ranghar kune bonaisil? The Ahom king Pramatta Sinha built the Ranghar. The Ranghar was built by the Ahom king Pramatta Sinha. Fill in the blanks. Now we will do the next question. Next part 3, question number 1. Well, in 1904, Dash visited Kaziranga. 1904 1904 চনত কাজিৰঙালে কোন আহিছিল মনত আছে নে লেডি কাৰ্জন I hope you remember তোমালোকৰ সাগে মনত আছে লেডি কাৰ্জন Okay In 1904, Lady Curzon visited Kaziranga. Number 2, the Namdang Stone Bridge was built by the Ahom king. Kune bonaisile? Alop agote ami discuss korisilo hoine. The Namdang Stone Bridge was built by the Ahom king Rudra Sinha. R-U-D-R-A. Rudra Sinha. Okay. Question number 3. Sukafa made dash his first capital. Sukafa tor prothom rajdhani kot patisil? I hope you know the answer. It is Charaideo. C-H-A-R-A-I-D-E-O. Okay? Charaideo. Sukafa made Charaideo his first capital. Now, part 4. Answer these questions in a short paragraph. Write briefly the history of Kaziranga as a protected area. Tamne সংৰক্ষণ কৰা এটা অঞ্চল হয় নে নহয় হে হিষ্ট্ৰীটোৰ বিষয় ইতিহাসৰ বিষয় আমাক লিখিব কৈছে So look at the answer. In 1904, Mary Curzon visited Kaziranga. 1904, who visited Kaziranga? Mary Curzon. She was the wife of Lord Curzon, the Viceroy of India. Tekhet kar patni asile? She was a wife of Lord Curzon. And at that point of time, Lord Curzon was the Viceroy of India. She had heard that Kaziranga was famous for rhinos. Tekhete ki hunisil? Je Kaziranga goror karne khub bikkhat. Hekarne teo gor sabole ahisil. But she could not find a single rhino there. Kintu teo etao gor nedekhile. She requested her husband to take measures immediately to preserve the rhinos. Tetia teo Lord Curzon ki kole je apuni kiba eta korok aru ki mane goror সংৰক্ষণ কৰাটো উচিত হে বুলি teo kole. After 1905, the Kaziranga proposed reserve forest was created. Slowly, the park grew in size. 1905 at ki hol Kaziranga proposed reserve forest was created. Reserve forest hisabe jona gol. Tapisot in 1916 at ki hol it was named Kaziranga Game Sanctuary. Visitors were allowed to enter the park. Hunting was strictly prohibited. So in 1916 it was named as Kaziranga Game Sanctuary. Okay. Question number 2. Write a short note on Tolatal Ghar. Tolatal Gharar bishoye tumalukok olop likhiboloi koise. The Tolatal Ghar had 4 stories above ground and 3 stories underground. Tumalukok jetia moi lesson to pohai asil tetia koise Tolatal Ghar ki uporot 4 moholia asile aru tolot matir tolot underground kiman 3 moholia asile. There were 2 secret tunnels aru duta ki tunnels asil hurongo gupon hurongo asile. One was 16 kilometers long, led to the Gorgao Palace aru eta 16 kilometer dikhol asile aru he hurongo ture hot jabo paisil Gorgao Rajprasad ulaisilge. And the other, which was 3 kilometers long, led to the Dikho River. Aru antu hurongo 3 kilometer dikhol asile aru he phaldi gole Dikho noi goi paisil. Write a note on Charaideo Moidam. Aru tumalukok Charaideo Moidamor bishoye olop likhibo koise. Charaideo Moidams are the Ahom equivalent of the Egyptian pyramids. Charaideo Moidams kar logot tulona kora hoise Egyptor pyramidor logot. Okay? They are Charaideo Moidams are the equivalent of the Egyptian pyramids. Okay? Sukafa, the founder of the Ahom dynasty, made Charaideo his first capital. So, Sukafa prothomto rajdhani kot korise Charaideo. It is 22 kilometers away from Sibsagar town. So, Charaideo is 22 kilometers away from Sibsagar town. It has at least 100 moidams. Moidam was a burial ground. Burial ground mane Samadhi sthal. কাৰ সমাধিস্থল আছিলে অফ দ্য আহোম কিংছ এণ্ড নবলছ আহোম ৰজাসকলৰ বা ৰজা বা ৰাজ পৰিয়ালৰ লোকৰ কি আছিলে সমাধিস্থল আছিলে মৈদামবোৰ মেনি ৰয়েল গ্ৰেভিয়াৰ্ড ষ্টিল এক্সিষ্ট দেয়াৰ আৰু ৰয়েল ৰাজ পৰিয়ালৰ বহুত কবৰস্থান এতিয়াও তাত আছে The hillock of Saraidew was considered to be sacred by the people of the Ahom dynasty. They believed this place to be the home of their ancestral gods. আৰু তেওঁলোকৰ আহোমসকলৰ পূৰ্বপুৰুষৰ ভগৱানৰ ঠাই বুলি ভাবিছিল আৰু খুব পবিত্ৰ ঠাই বুলি ভাবিছিল মানে চৰাইদেউ মৈদাম ঠাইডোখৰ These have tomb walls just like the pyramids in Egypt. The people know about the pyramids but not anything about these moidams which are equally fascinating. কৈছে যে আমি ইজিপ্তৰ পিৰামিডৰ বিষয়ে কিমান কথা জানো কিন্তু আমাৰ নিজৰ ৰাজ্যৰে চৰাইদেউৰ বিষয়ে চৰাইদেউৰ মৈদামৰ বিষয়ে বহুত নেজানো আমিতো নেজানোৱে বাহিৰৰ মানুহেও নেজানে কিন্তু they are equally fascinating interesting হয়নে So, students, we have come to the end of the question answers of the 5th chapter. I hope this was helpful. So, students, see you again in the next class. Until then, take care. Thank you.